this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly restart your Roku device. So if we want to go up to settings, we can do that here, and then go to the right, then we can just go up again, and then go to system, go to the right, then go up to power, and then go to system restart right here, and go to restart, confirm the restart to turn off your Roku player. So let's click it and it's restarting, and then it should just pop back on, so you don't even have to press the power button on the remote. That's just going to turn it off. Now with my setup, since I have a Fire TV, it's really annoying. If I press the power button, it's going to turn off my system, and then I won't be able to turn it back on. I have to go over to my other remote and then turn it back on. So it gets really annoying. So I like just going to restart if there's something I needed to just go ahead and quickly do. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.